Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Fans on the TV, it's the Betway Premiership, Golden Arrows 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Umenyeru Wetiski.
Sibos.
Yeah.
Grand.
Mnandi.
Ukuba quick nje ukubheka isikhathi nokuthi kumele sivaye.
Sure.
Ngizoqala ngo Thabo Cele.
Thabo.
I top player le yasibo.
Yes.
Top player kuyabonisa ukuthi usebuya Orkant
overseas.
Yeah, kuyabonisa ibhola lidlalayo ukuthi ayi uyi quality
yabo.
So ngicathi ucoach we Chiefs la ilahle khona igame today.
Yeah.
Ngalesikhathi ekhipha ucele efaka umthetho.
Yes.
Akwazi ukukhipha umuntu offensive egame neso uzofaka umuntu o defensive because if ufaka umthetho uzodlala uzodlala noMathi khona noNgcobo. Umuthi uya check ifirst half ka Nkosingiphile ibingekho grand and then wena on top of uMathi already uMathi umoya wakhe unjani uphansi because seshobe penalty wena uphinde uzoeda abantu uzoeda umthetho kule errors le ezayo uzoeda umthetho wawungafaka omunye umuntu uye kuyona errors understand so igame uyilahle lapho and then ngize ku Lollipop urubani igama lakhe yeah I player le understand okay akhona ama elements asashota kuyena but I player because uyakhona ukuthi enzele Chiefs enzele iplan so whoever ohambile walanda uLollipop ulanda umdlali ulanda umdlali uyabona futhi ne team ufuna ukuyifayithela serious and then I combination ka Miguel noMsimango isazoletha inkinga eziningi
ku Chiefs
because if you checker remember ama pillars 4 pillars yes I6 there are 6 pillars of development but ngihleze ngitshela ukuthi asifocuseni kuma pillar mangaki kulawa yi4 umuthi uyachecker I tactical understanding yabo in terms of itempo yegame boyithu Miguel noMsimango ayikho grand because if udlala nabantu abane speed so bayakhona ukuthi okay bayabona ukuthi okay ni slow benze njani benibambe ngespeed you understand and especially uMsimango kade engadlali olalong bekudlala abantu bekudlala uMiguel noDodli so if uthola opportunity so uMsimango ithathe opportunity abalandeli bangakhali ngawo wena uyangena kulimela umuntu and then abalandeli basanjani basakhala ngawo ngize uNgcobo kudala wafika kuChiefs angazi ukuthi wafika nini kuChiefs but lentwana le in terms of improvement
mix
akabonisa ukuthi kade afika kuChiefs kade afika kuChiefs so I progress yakhe ngi disappointed ngayo improvement yakhe angazi mina udlale ngazi usi player elifika manje indlela adlala ngayo yabona nama mistake awenzile ethi okay iplayer sijudge ngegame 1 but uNgcobo ayi man dala afika kuChiefs fuza ngabe akasazenzi lezi zinto lezi azenzayo
amaphutha
kufuza ngabe akasazenzi
that's true
and then Sibo yazi baqinisile ngempela bebesebholeni inhlanhla uyayidinga sometimes
sharp
Golden Arrows usibiya Sibo since ngamazi mina lo amchita lowa
Solomon
iArrows isadlala amagame ayo eMagogo ePrincess lo mchita lowa selokhe eyistaka nje yani ubonile today igame uyithwale ngamahlombo ayibeka kuyena ayi1 wayithwala ngamahlombo ayibeka kuyena so ingakho ngisho ukuthi baqinisile bebethi sometimes uyayidinga like lo mchita udeserve ukudlalela ama team lawo ku top 3 and umuthi uyacheck iminyaka seyidlalile kuPSL more than 6-7 years and umuthi uyachecka manje ungazi usingane the way adlala ngakhona but iminyaka yakhe iyakhula but umuthi ucheck ibhola lakhe ayikhula kakhulu
alichop
ukhula kakhulu and I difference iyabonakala kuErose ukuthi sekufika umanqoba amnqithi iyabonakala position play iyabonakala and then with an element of speed as well itempo umuthi uyachecka babonile ukuthi okay going to half time uDove ubese edonsekile benze njani ba overload iside lakhe leli side la kubona iside la right and then iside la left ku Chiefs remember Sibo if it's overload iside si overload ngeMA1 we overload to isolate if ngisho njalo ngithi we overload to isolate which means sifuna uku-isolate sifuna uku-isolate uDove nani ne-center back yakhe akwenza kangalokho kwenzekile and iArrows realizile ukuthi okay sebedonsekile manje sibe abasakhona ukuthi bedile nani ne-overload le biyenzakalile bathatha uSibiya bamletha ngala ngezansi you understand so umanqoba
babiza ngemuva
so umanqoba improve kakhulu kwi-Eros improve the way adlala ngakhona and then Sibo ngibone airport ushaya isombe nomadumane ngicathi uyezwa kunomsindo la ushaya isombe nomadumane ngifuna ukubuza into eyiwani Sibo
yini bhuti
since siqalile ukushaya ama interview lawo ubani own ama masters
it's Lord Phuri
akusiyo Phuri okay ama masters abelonga kwa
it's Lord Phuri
siyabonga man of the match yami ngayigaya
it's New Money Gang Records
la ituzana Sibo sengivala nje i-man of the match yami ngayigaya uSibiya uSibiya uSulumane top player top player and umuthi uyacheka nama video yabe Jimini uhleze ekhonzela ukuyidlalela nase groundini remember eJimini ukhonza kwenze njani ukuyidlalela mebeshaya ama clip kanti nase groundini enze njani uyadlala futhi thank you Sibo
thank you Menyera thank you Menyera